Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Toyota 4Runner to your garage door opener. First, park your 4Runner safely outside the garage, ensuring the parking brake is engaged. Next, locate the 3 home link buttons, typically found on the overhead console. Before starting, it's a good idea to clear any previous programming by holding the 2 outer home link buttons for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. For garage door openers with a fixed code, begin by holding your original garage door remote about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button and your remotes button. Continue holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. Then, release both buttons and test the newly programmed home link button. If you have a rolling code garage door opener, the process involves an extra step. First, press and hold the desired home link button until the indicator light begins to flash slowly. Next, quickly go to your garage door opener motor unit and press its Learn or Smart button. You usually have about 30 seconds to return to your 4Runner and press the home link button you just programmed 3 times. This should complete the connection. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your original garage door remote has fresh batteries. Sometimes, moving your 4Runner closer to the garage door opener unit can improve the signal. If problems persist, check your 4Runner's owner's manual for detailed, model-specific instructions. Remember, some garage door openers may require a different programming sequence, so always refer to both your vehicle and opener manuals for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.